Up to now, our visualizations have only used data from one of the three tables in our model, specifically the transaction data table. In this lesson, we'll learn how to create visualizations that use data from multiple tables. In an earlier lesson, we saw that PowerBi detected a relationship between our tables when we imported our datasets. To see what this means for our charts, we'll create a new table visualization. As this page is getting a little crowded, we'll put it on a new page. First, we'll give the current page a name by double-clicking on page 1. We'll call it Value Analysis. It's always good practice to give the pages in your reports meaningful names. We'll now click on the plus to add a new page, and name this page Fee Earners by Division. We'll drag the fee earner field from the transaction data table onto the canvas, and then add the division field from the fee earner table to create a chart. We can see that this table correctly matches fee earners to their division, even though we took them from separate tables. This is because of the relationship between these two tables. PowerBi has matched fee earners in the transaction table to fee earners in the fee earner table. Let's move back to our value analysis page and drill deeper into our data by breaking out our fee earners by division. This will give us an idea of how different divisions are performing, as well as which divisions our largest clients are spending money with. We'll start by clicking on the Value by Fee Earners chart. We can modify this visualization by adjusting the Fields tab of the visualization pane. In this case, it makes the most sense to add division as a color legend. To that end, we'll drag division to the legend and see that the bar for each fee earner is now color-coded according to their division. Let's also break down our tree map by division. As we select this visualization, we can see that the Fields tab differs slightly from before. For example, there's no legend option as each box has already been assigned a color. In this case, we'll drag the division field to Details and see that this breaks each client box down by division. For example, we can see that most of the value generated from Feral Plastics comes from the audit division, with smaller contributions from advisory and tax. While this can be a useful function, it just makes our current tree map a little more crowded than it was previously. Therefore, I'll remove the division field by clicking the X next to it. Now that we've seen how to incorporate data from multiple tables into visualizations, we'll stop the lesson. It's important to remember that if you want to use data from multiple tables in a visualization, those tables must have a relationship. In the next lesson, we'll look at how PowerBi can help you publish your visualizations in a format suitable for mobile devices.